guys, it's me again. Let's continue our vlogging now. It's me guys, I'm back. This is here on the sea.
What is the name of our channel? Team FUEGO. Okay, what we are going to unbox now?
We're now unboxing this thing that we bought from Lazada.
What it is? It is a...
It is a secret thing.
No, it's a ring light
It's a ring light
that we're going to use
that
in
we're going to
vlogging.
use to play Roblox.
No, we're going to use this in our vlog.
I mean vlogs.
Okay?
Yeah.
And this is the... How much is this?
How much is this? Wait, is that a ring light?
Oh! Ang mura. It's just 322.
This is
Okay.
just a cheap thing now,
Ito,
and we can actually buy. You buy this, you can download so that you can know how to unbox it.
this is a 26 centimeter ring light.
This is
Model
26
XD-260.
This is
Okay, let's see
26
kung malaki na.
Wow. cm centimeter.
Hello sa...
Thing.
Okay, ito yung ano niya, holder niya. The
I'm back.
controller
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
and the cell phone holder. Oh, may cell phone holder ah. Wow, very good. Okay, we will open the stand.
Isn't it?
Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. Wow. 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 Yes. Oh no. What is this?
Bro! I don't know this is a ring light. Look there.
Wow.
Just
Oh no. Hindi alam ni Daddy. Oh no.
so what?
Yun. Okay. Narito siya. Okay. We're done.
We have unboxed this thing. Then we can go and eat your food.
Okay. Walang ano? Walang manual?
Just, I don't think we have a manual. I don't think if we have a
There's
manual.
no manual.
There's none of a manual.
Okay.
It can't be. Now let's just do that.
Oh, not yet, not yet. Done. No.
This is
Okay. Yan na siya. Okay. Kung gusto mong taasan, yan. Adjust pa siya. Kung gusto mong higpitan. Okay, tapos wala siyang kasama power. Pero may USB cord siya na mahaba. So, gagamit ka ng power galing sa cellphone. Ng mga charger. Sandri, can I have one?
what?
Cellphone charger.
You want cell phone and charger?
Cellphone charger lang.
Okay, let's check kung
This is it.
gana ito. Okay. Okay, we'll check if it works. And the power is here. Nandito sa remote, wired remote. Okay, wow. Ang ganda ba? Natin. Pwedeng nakaganyan, landscape. Pwede rin naka-portrait. Yan. So, testing natin ha. Kanyang video mo mami. Okay? So, yan. Oh,
Buksan mo yung ring light.
tapos, bubuksan natin yung ring light. Tangin. Okay, welcome back to our channel. This is Team FUEGO Teleblog.
And
Ulit-ulit.
then
Ganyan ang nangyayari.
It's me again.
Maganda ba?
And the ring light has functioned.
Okay.
It doesn't malfunction and it's good enough.
Okay. Baguhin natin yung kulay.
You can change the color of the ring light.
Cool.
Okay. Welcome back sa ating channel. This is Team FUEGO Televlog. Ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng ring light na nabili natin sa Lazada. With me is my son, Kinchandri FUEGO. Come here. Come here. On my side. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. And this is my daughter. Beautiful baby Sab. You show baby Sab, mommy. Wow. Hi Sab. Say hello. Okay, and the videographer is mommy, my beautiful wife, the beautiful mommy of Chandri and Sab. By the way, you can also adjust the light. You see? You can adjust the light from dimmer to
Brighter.
brighter,
Brightest.
to the brightest. And it has also other color. The sunlight and what's that? What color is that?
Daylight.
Daylight.
Hindi ko alam.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam
The
yan.
white light and the daylight. You see? Tatlo pala. 3 colors, look. Oh, one. Blue light. And midlight. And sunlight. Okay. Okay. You turn off the light. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Okay. Kita pa rin ba?
Oh, kita. Tapos,
Okay.
pagtang mo yung kulay.
This is
Okay.
green and
Wow.
different colors.
What happened?
Nag-ibang kulay.
And this is the third light.
Nakakakainis pala yan ng balat.
Yeah. Wow. Ang kinis
Yan
naman
pala ang
ng
purpose
bato.
niyan.
Hello, Sab. Come here. Say hello. Where's the boo-boo? Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Okay? We'll adjust the light.
Dito siguro dapat ang camera.
Yeah. Oh no. Wow. 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 Okay. Again, paulit-ulit. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay.
If you don't subscribe to our channel,
Subscribe to our channel. Wow. Hello? This is Sam.
if you don't subscribe to my channel,
Video.
I will.
Hi. Hello. This is Sam. Team Fuego Televlog. Subscribe to our channel.